Welcome everybody, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Friday. It is February the 28th. We are breaking a Gold Rush multi-sport jerseys. 2 box break from a fresh case. We randomed up the box and numbers. We got 1 and 5. We did pick a name, get 4 via random. On the left, we've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customers, gave everybody a chance to trade. Nobody's in a trading mood here. Break that damn blade. So dull. Not even cutting the damn cellophane. Alright, here we go, folks. Pop, pop of our first box. Here we go. Bam. Well, gonna be the Vikings. Aaron Jones, guys. Sort of a mid-hit there, I guess. It's actually the first of the the Minnesota. See if they bring him back next year. Bam. Aaron Jones Beckett hologram honor, guys. Not a bad looking jersey. Yeah, not bad, not great, guys. Sort of a mid there, I guess. Who the hell is it, though? Well, Joe. Gonna take that one, Hofstall. Joe stepping in at late there. Gonna take the Aaron Jones. Congrats, Joe. Guys, second box of our 2-box. It's the first Minnesota one. That's a good thing that I pulled, at least. Here we go, folks. Pop, pop of your seal. Alrighty, guys. Good luck to everybody. Bam. Well, bam. Gonna be the Austin Reaves, guys. Well, a little bit of a downer on that one. Well, guys, we know we're gonna get some fillers there. Gonna be Austin Reaves Beckett hologram honor, guys. Well, could have been a better break for us, guys. That's for sure, but gonna set up pretty well for the rest of the case there, guys. Alright, guys, call out your keeps. It's going to be up to you whether we can get another break out there, folks. No, not a bad break. Like I said, guys, it's not a bad break for sure. I mean, just wasn't great. Where the fuck is Austin? God damn it. Matthews, where the fuck is Reaves? There he is. Well, it's going to be a Joey Olin. Well, Joey, again, I may not be pulling you anything monster there over the last few breaks, but your luck's been changing for the better, Joey. A one-spotter, gonna slamp that one down. Alright, guys, that is gonna wrap up that 2-boxer breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, guys. Call out your keeps. Up to you guys. Have a good one.